My name is Frank Lamb from Automation Consulting LLC, and this is a video on how to study my videos. You might think that this is an intuitive thing, but I have made my videos in a certain way, and so I'd like to elaborate a little bit on how to understand these videos and get the most out of them. Thank you very much. There are two types of training videos I make. The first are like this RSLogix video. These videos are very condensed. I record the videos using a script, and there can be a lot of graphics and pointers. I cut out a lot of dead space, which makes it shorter than it might otherwise be. A couple of features of these types of videos. First, look up here in the upper left corner and you'll see a title. These titles are very important, and as you scroll, so I'm just scrolling through the video here, you can see that they change. So these are the keys to the sections of the videos. You can also see that there's quite a few graphics here that move up and down, so scrolling back and forth can be pretty useful. And of course there is audio to the videos also, so we'll let this play a little bit.
Bullet 2 row at the bottom, corresponding to the 8 outputs on the card. The input files, channel 0 is the inputs on the processor chassis, including the analog channels.
So that's a little bit how the video flows. So a good method to study these videos is to either write down these titles, or I do have a spreadsheet with all of the titles, all of the sections of all of my videos in it, and I would be happy to provide those to anyone. They also give you a little bit of a view of what is coming up in videos you haven't watched yet. So this is kind of like a table of contents. And it always ends with a little thank you like this, always starts and finishes with a little bit of music also. The videos are typically anywhere from 7 minutes all the way up to 19 minutes long for some of my other types of videos, which I also want to describe next. The other type of videos that I make are those like this Odyssey project video here. These are much more free-flowing. They tend to be longer. As a matter of fact, this is probably the longest video that I made, 19 minutes long. And I really didn't cut out much of the sections in here. You can see that sometimes there are videos like this. This shows a little bit of how a machine is started up, and then quite a bit of it is simply me creating things in software, and it's pretty much in real time. I do cut some sections out of here occasionally. In this case also there's some Excel worksheets in addition to the software, and as you can see it's pretty much in real time. Once again, just like the other videos, in the upper left is a title. So writing those titles down can be very useful. And the videos end pretty much the same way, with a little thank you message and a little bit of music. These videos are meant to be much more free-flowing. There's going to be a lot more of them, and they honestly take me quite a bit less time to make. The RSLogix videos, very condensed. These videos, much longer, much more free-flowing. I also have some math videos that work more or less the same way. But the constant thing you'll see here is you'll see the title of the videos in the upper right, the name of the section in the upper left, and it's very easy using whichever video player you have to simply scroll back and forth. I hope you enjoyed this and understand it and can use it to effectively, hopefully, learn something. Thank you very much.